Located along this tropical coast, these shell-inspired villas are beautiful to look at, and make a fantastic base for your tropical vacation. The interior rooms are also stunningly beautiful, modern, and shell-like. Surrounded by stunning canyon views, these cave homes are very unique. Perfectly peaceful and serene, you will love it here. The rooms are warm and cozy, with fantastic dusk and dawn views. These curvy apartments are available for short-term rentals. The heated outside pool is perfect for relaxing in, and the interiors are modern, but still have the feel of a cozy alpine lodge. This unusual-looking hotel consists of two palm-inspired, egg-shaped structures which are built into the rock face. The two are connected internally and the rooms are just as unusual. These two connected glass structures, situated right on the shoreline, are actually a botanical art gallery. Spiraling staircases inside take visitors through all sorts of weird and wonderful creations. If you're looking for a winter vacation, this alpine lodge is perfect for the whole family. The rooms are very warm and cozy, with wooden decor and traditional stone fireplaces. These residential apartments rise from a lily pond full of life. Relax in your living room, or on your terrace, and enjoy the beautiful natural scenery around you. With beautiful ocean views, these pod-like villas are the perfect escape. Ultra-modern interiors that capture the surrounding environment make for a very comfortable retreat. This glass house is situated right in the middle of nature. Surrounded by rainforest, the open design makes you feel right in the jungle, yet safe inside your modern space. Welcome to the International Space Hotel. A typical trip includes one Earth orbit and a moon landing. The hotel has everything you need, including bars and luxurious rooms, with breathtaking space views. Of course you know that none of these places are real, just like me, but the concept is there. Are you a billionaire? Perhaps you would like to build these for real. See the description below for the process in making this video. I hope you found some inspiration here. Thank you for watching, and I wish you well. Goodbye.